Are you worried about the current NFT market crash? Ooh, well, don't, because I'm going to go through the market analysis in a moment. Also, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about something that I think is worse than an NFT market crash. Please give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on bell notifications, because we are going to be providing videos practically every single day on NFTs, trading crypto, and trading Forex as well. So yeah, give it a thumbs up, spread the word. We're starting to see traction on some of our videos now. We've got a couple of thousand on some videos, so we are going to be doing a lot more videos on this topic, and it will be Monday, Wednesday, Friday religiously, and then we will be adding other videos in as well. So firstly, I'm going to look at market analysis. So if you remember in previous videos, I've talked about Ethereum and where it is on the daily. So we can see some of the lines there in the line charts. That was an all-time high in November. You can see I did say it's going to consolidate in the channel. We are struggling to break above and hold above the $3,000 mark. You can see we had a run up here. This is a 20-day moving average, a 50-day and a 200-day. Those of you familiar with trading. Again, I do say this every time I get this. So if you do want to know about my TradingView Pro setup, let me know, and I will do a video on this in the coming weeks. But you can see here, I did say that we left a lot of money here, so the institutional money's here, and you can see that they did try to take some of it here. I generally think we're going to go one down again, back to 2100 before we see a push up. We're trying to break and close above the 3032, and twice now it's rejected. You could talk 3 times here with the 200 moving day. We're nowhere near this 200 day. We've rejected the 50 day now. And you can see recently on yesterday's candle, we rejected the 20 day. I think we're going down to 2400. There is some support there at 2400. But I do think that they're going to make it, you'll see a wick go down to collect the rest of this money here back from January. And then what we'll do is we'll make a run up to try and break above the 3200. If we just go to the hourly, again, I always hate this when it does the magnifying view. There you go. So we can see now, we see a cross on the 20 day. We're seeing a 50 day cross as well. We're seeing the 200 day turn down. We're not going above 2800. You can see the resistance here as well. If we just do a line here, you can see the previous resistance there at 2800. It's kind of wick, reject, reject, reject. We come down to the previous support, we run, we break through, we hit the next resistance line here, we try and stab it, couldn't break through, try and have a go, couldn't break through, down, try and have another go, couldn't break through, come back underneath that, and we're back underneath here now. So we may try to have another run at 2800, but I can see we're going to reject it. You're looking 2600 initially today. If it goes below that, we're down to 2300. I reckon 2400. There's not much volume in it at the moment, and we are kind of in this bear market with the NFT space. So with that being said, those of you who aren't interested in market analysis, what I want to cover is something that I see time and time again, and it is something that I have been guilty of myself, and I deliberately left it to show you guys, and it's leaving things open on our smart contract, on our wallets. And what I mean by this, we all use MetaMask to trade on OpenSea or any other trading platform, but OpenSea is the biggest one. Now, I've written some stuff down because it's important, and again, people contact me now, you DM me on Instagram, on Twitter, you contact me in the Discords, and in the various community groups that I help out in, and I did say I'll make a video on this, so this video is for you guys, and anyone new watching the channel, again, experienced or otherwise, pause this video, watch it to the very end, because I am dropping absolute alpha bombs on what you need to do to protect yourself. Regardless of an NFT market crash, this is going to protect you and your funds and your NFTs for future bull and bear markets. Right, okay. So basically what happens is when you sign up to OpenSea, when you log into a website, whatever you do with a MetaMask or an Ethereum wallet, you have to grant access to that website or to that smart contract in order to mint a token. Around 95, maybe 96% of the NFT projects around at the moment are all hype, and they have got no real utility. Now, I'm sorry to burst anyone's bubble. People, please comment below, correct me if I'm wrong. but that's just the stats. It is 95-96% of them are all fly-by-night bullshit hype projects. Can you make money from them? Yeah. Get in a whitelist, flip them 2x, 3x, let somebody else worry about them. But you're going to be left holding the bag on a lot of NFTs. We've all been there. We've all done that. We see this change now. We see this micro markets. We see this bear market at the moment. Apart from the Walking Dead NFT, shout out to you guys, got into that last night. Amazing. That's like currently 2x from when I bought in last night. And reveals not for a couple of days, or probably from about a week. I do see that going up to about 1 ETH, 1.5 ETH, maybe more. Again, it's an official token, done a stealth launch on OpenSea. So shout out to you guys, invisible friends and stuff like that. But again, there are these projects, but we're going to be dropping more analytics on projects in future videos. But yeah, this is something that I've had students, or I've had community members, or I've had people come up to me and gone, I've had all my funds stolen out my wallet. 9 times out of 10, it's not. It's just they're uneducated. They've put a lot of offers in WEF, in wrapped Ethereum, on different projects, on different NFTs. And then when they see the price going up, they've cancelled the offer, which obviously try to get your cancellation fee, transaction fee, and they burn through $300 or $400. You've not been scammed. It's just you're uneducated in this space. So if you put an offer on, you could have 10,000 offers. As long as you've got the wrapped Ethereum in your wallet, it will take the offers. Once you've got one offer, if you've got no Ethereum then, or no wrapped ETH in your wallet, every single other offer gets expired anyway. It's null and void because you don't have the wrapped Ethereum to buy it. So don't worry too much on that note, but that isn't what I'm going to cover. Right, so what we talk about, when we access OpenSea, when we access cryptocurrency wallets, when we access play-to-earn games, when we access decentralized exchanges, anything we do, we communicate with what's known as a smart contract. But what we do is, when you've first seen it, when you have to sign to grant access for that smart contract to interact with your wallet. That can be a good thing or it can be a bad thing, right? So what you want to do, and again, is what you'll find over the years. Like I say, I've been in crypto space since 2018, when we first went to Malta Blockchain Summit. And I have probably got a lot of crap that I'm still linked into with my MetaMask wallet. Now, I've used multiple wallets, and we'll talk about that at the end of the video, so make sure you stay to the end. But what I'm talking about here is granting access to different smart contracts that maybe no longer exist. That could be rug pulls, and your NFTs could be at risk. Your Ethereum, your wrapped Ethereum, anything that you've got in your MetaMask wallet could be at risk, okay? Now, it doesn't matter if you've been watching things you shouldn't in the internet and you've deleted your internet history. Just throwing it out there, right? You've deleted internet history. You can't think about what pages you've been on, what sites you've been on, whatever. It doesn't matter. So guys, grab a notepad and a pen, pause the video, write it in the comments box below, tattoo it on your foreheads, whatever you need to do, right, in order to get this down. Make sure you get this down. So you should all be familiar with the kind of official website for Ethereum, which is etherscan.io. Now this shows you all the transactions for every single wallet, and it's legit. It's 100% legit. It's what MetaMask used to, what you can do transit, it's what gas is run through, everything. It's Etherscan. Do not use any other website. You don't need to. Trust Etherscan, and it's etherscan.io. Okay, so what you want to do is, if you go over to Etherscan, okay, I'm just going to move myself down here to there, okay, and it's only because I want to show you what you do. So what you want to do, this is Etherscan, and it shows you all different scans. You want to come up to the top here, and you want to hover over more, and then you want to tick, this is a new feature for Etherscan, okay, and then you want to tick on token approvals, okay. From here, you want to click on Connect to Web3. And then you want to use your MetaMask wallet. So I will just sign into my MetaMask here. Again, you'll see it got accounts and double accounts. I'll talk about that in a moment. So I click Next. And this is what we sort of talk about when I'm saying you connect to a smart contract. So we click Connect. Okay, and we click OK. So basically, this is just Etherscan saying, look, please take note, this is a beta version feature and it's provided as is and as an available basis. Etherscan does not give any warranties, will not be viable for any loss, direct or incontinent. That's just to cover their ass. Guys, this is the legit website, and it's a brand new feature. Depending on when you're watching this video, that will probably no longer be there. So you will see for my wallet, okay, this one wallet I use, that I have interacted with various different things over the years, okay? We can see here, again, I will break this down in the future videos about what is an ECR20, what is an ECR21, 721, and what is an ECR 1155. But that you don't really need to know at this stage. What you'll see here, you'll see obviously you've got wrapped ETH, you've got Stardust, we've got SOS, we've got Centivate, Value. So some of these are different things, right? Again, you'll see the revoke here. Now, I've written stuff down because I want you to show you stuff. So, okay, so what I want to show you is here. If you do not recognize something in here, okay, or you're unsure, just revoke the access. If it's something you need, then you can always subscribe back. You always go, oh yeah, I shouldn't have deleted that. Doesn't matter, revoke it. Better safe than sorry. So I've granted access to all these different things. So Uniswap, Value, Exchange. So that was like a farm, wrapped ETH on Uniswap there. So there's only 25 records, okay? If I look on ECR 721, again, it's just loading. It's looking through my wallet for me. So we've got, these are all the coins that we've traded. So you've got Bebos for staking. You've got Cozy Penguin, Long Lost, Bebos, Sacred Gold, Super Creators, Crux. So these are all the different contracts that I've like communicated with when I've minted them or when I've owned them on OpenSea, right? So here's one here, Cool Monkeys. Got into that before Christmas, bought it for 0.11, sold it for 0.88. Nice little 8x, okay? Same with a few of them. So, but I've still got access. I've still give them access to my wallet. So I'm not saying this is a good project or a bad project, but if, and I mean if they turned out to be a rug pull, it turned out to be fraudulent, or it turned out to be a cash grab or whatever, they could potentially do something, right? It's not really Cool Monkeys. It's more on a website, or it's more on if you've bought something and it's not off an official site, or you've gone and bought something with Polygon when you should have been using Ethereum, that type of thing, right? So you just click revoke, and then it says, look, are you sure you want to revoke? You just click revoke. What happens then? It communicates with your wallet, and you'll see sometimes it does charge you a gas fee to unrevoke that thing. Unfortunately, you just have to take the hit, but I would rather pay $4, so I'm just going to do that now. I'd rather pay $4 and revoke access and know that my ETH, my WETH, my whatever else I've got in my wallet, my NFTs are safe, than rather giving something potential to take money from my wallet. So that is it. Really, really simple on that. It's a big thing that you need to do. If you don't have the Ethereum in your wallet, don't worry about it too much, because then somebody can't take what's not there. However, I would suggest you do this regularly. Have a bit of a cleanup. Be very, very conscious about what you're giving what you're signing up to, what you're giving your wallet address out to. Okay, so just to finish up, that's what you do. It's etherscan.io. You can just go through all of them, and you can just keep going through them, and then you'll see on your MetaMask, it'll come up with an approval, set for approval. It'll just go through. Okay, so there's that. When you're finished as well, what you want to do, you want to always make sure, again, in case someone can hack your computer or your internet history, click on your wallet. You'll see your balance in this wallet for this wallet, and then you literally just click on a down arrow there and click log out. So then that way, if OpenSea ever gets compromised, you can't do it. And obviously you just come to your OpenSea and you just click here and you just click lock. And then again, so get into a habit, only takes seconds, get into a habit of physically logging out. Don't just turn your computer off. Don't just log you down the screen. Obviously, better to be safe than sorry. Double, triple, quadruple check anything. And the reason why I say this is because there unfortunately is a lot of scammers in this NFT space. The reason why is because it's unregulated, it's decentralized. People see an opportunity to make money, they're going to take advantage of people who are naive and uneducated in this space. This is the sole purpose for this channel, to educate the uneducated, to help you guys so you do not make mistakes and you get to make money. I coined this phrase a while ago with my students on the e-commerce and the marketing, And I say we all learn together, we all grow together, and we all earn together. And I think that's fitting for the NFT space as well, because once you learn and we all grow and we get experienced in what we're doing, then we can all make money together. There's enough money to go around. So just to finish off, again, because I've always do that, always do your own homework and due diligence. Don't take my word for it. Don't take anyone else, any other YouTubers. Don't take anyone's word for it. Do your own homework, okay? Question everything. Be like a little kid. Why is grass green? Why is the water wet? Why is the sky blue? Honestly, it will serve you good. So ask the questions, like I said then. Never trust anything. Double, triple, quadruple check the URLs. So what I would strongly advise you to do is when you're into these NFT projects, only use the official links within that Discord channel, okay? Don't click on any links within DMs. You could say, oh yeah, but the mod reached out to me. There's a lot, there's a lot of people at the moment, a lot of scammers faking mods, faking other people's accounts. And if you don't look at the actual URL profile, you just see the same picture. You could click on the wrong link and you could give them access to scrape your wallet. Again, do not ever give your 12-word secret phrase out to anybody, even if it's your mum. Your mum shouldn't be asking for it because does she know anything about NFTs? I don't know. But don't give it out. There's no reason to give it out. Print it out, put it in a safe, lock it away. You do not need to give it out to anybody. As long as you're following these things, no one should ever ask you for your 12-word phrase. You should only ever need it if you forget your password. And you're not going to forget your password because you make it something memorable for you. Okay, and the last one, I don't know if you guys noticed, but on this account, so I'm just going to log back in. Okay, is create a second account. And you're going to go, but why? Why do we need a second account? It's a burner wallet, it's a cold wallet, it's a warm wallet, whatever you want to call it, create a second account. And what you do is you use one of your accounts to buy and sell, to trade, to do what you want with. But any of your blue chip NFTs, anything of your like really good money or your profits is squirrel it. And what I mean by that, squirrel it, is like white squirrels collect nuts for the winter or whatever and put them into different trees. Take your money, take the NFTs that you want to keep and transfer them to a different wallet. Because that way, if one wallet's compromised, the other isn't. No, you could argue and go, but what if my MetaMask wallet is compromised? If it is, then again, you're kind of screwed. So you want to try and make sure that you don't give out your 12-word phrase, you make it memorable, you always check out when you've finished, and again, only ever click on the links. So I hope that's helped. I'm just going to finish off as well by saying next week we're going to be doing a playlist, a video series. So we're going to be launching a video every single day, including our normal video on a Monday and Wednesday and Friday. So I want you to check out for that. If you haven't already and you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, comment below, let us know where you guys have tuned in from. It's always nice to know. Any comments, anything that you want to do for future videos, and subscribe to the channel, turn on bell notifications, because we are bringing you content practically every single day on NFTs, trading, cryptocurrency, and Forex. So look out for the playlist starting from Monday, and I'm going to be talking about how to create your own NFT on OpenSea, and obviously, as I'm an expert in online marketing, how you can market that to drive traffic and sales to your OpenSea and get them important to chings and get some money and get some Ethereum from your own art. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hope you all have a good weekend depending on when you're watching this video, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.